Here I've got HUAWEI Mate 30 Pro, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System and Updates. Now go to Date and Time, and here you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch off this function, and now you can set date, time, and also time zone manually by yourself, so it's up to you what date, time and time zone it currently is. Then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour time or 12-hour format clock, so it's up to you. Just click on the switcher and then it will be changed. So then if you'd like to go back to automatic setup, tap on this switcher and now the date and time and also time zone will be set up automatically. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.